UGC videos like these are blowing up right now, and brands are using them to bring in thousands of new customers every single day. So I built a system with Claude and Seedance 2 that finds winning UGC videos and remakes them for any product in just minutes. Today, I'll walk you through the whole thing by making multiple AI UGC videos from scratch, and I'm going to be giving away every prompt, Claude skill, and workflow completely for free. And all I ask in return is that you drop a like on this video. The biggest mistake people make with AI UGC is generating from their imagination. You don't need a creative idea, you just need a proven one. This used to mean hours of scrolling. But now with Wireflow, which is the main tool I use for UGC videos, I can search through the whole Meta Ad Library and viral TikTok videos right from the canvas. I add a research node, I pick meta ads, and then I filter for ads that have been running the longest. Because if a brand has been running an ad for months, it means that ad works. It's the same for TikTok. Search your niche, sort by views, and the formats that are actually landing customers show up in a grid right in front of you. So now we just choose the one that we want to clone. So I'm going to click on this one and then click save. But finding the winner is the easy part. Next, I'll show you the steps it takes to clone it. But real quick, if you want to follow along, I'll leave the link for Wireflow in the description below. Once you're signed up, click create new file, and then you'll land on a fresh canvas ready to build. So next we just right click, click research. For this one, we're going to select meta ads. So after I've selected the winning video that I want to clone, I wire it directly into a content analyzer node, which is going to, in under a minute, break down the entire structure, the hook, every scene, the camera style, and the energy of the meta ad video that we've selected. And you can find this node by right-clicking on the canvas, selecting research, and then clicking on content analyzer here. Next, I wire it straight into Seedance 2, set it by 9:16, resolution 480p for a test run, and then duration 15 seconds, and then hit run.
I get a lot of questions about why I take electrolytes, which is funny, because did you know that 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated and 90% don't get enough potassium? I take electrolytes because I work out every day, but also for energy.
So as you can see, it's the same style, same energy, and the same vibe as the original, and it took about 5 minutes to make end to end. But the obvious problem is that this is somebody else's product. In a minute, I'll show you exactly how you can recreate this video with your own product in it. So this is where Claude comes in. I grab the prompt from my content analyzer node here. Then we go into Claude and we paste the prompt here. So this is the pasted prompt. And then above it, I've written, please write this Seedance video prompt to have the attached product in the image replace all of the product shots in the video prompt, and then I describe what it was. It's a box of electrolytes, and I also attached an image of my new product here. So I'm just going to click send. It's a few seconds later, and we've already got our new prompt with all of the changes below. You can see changes made. It's made 3 changes. So we're going to copy this and bring it back into Wireflow. All right, so we're back in Wireflow now, and I'm just going to paste my prompt into this text import here. So we can see that's the prompt I just got from Claude Code. Then I'm going to drag and drop that same product image into here as well. And we're going to connect them both into Seedance 2 node like this. So this is going to be a reference image. Then I'm going to go into here and just make sure the settings are right. So 9:16, 15 seconds, 480p, generate audio on, and I'm just going to click run. So it's just 3 minutes later, and we have the result here.
A lot of questions about why I take electrolytes, which is funny, because did you know that 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated and 90% don't get enough potassium?
So we just took a winning ad format and applied it to a completely new product in just a couple of clicks. So doing these manually, each one of them takes me about 5 minutes. So you can generally crank out a bunch of these every day, but one good ad is not really enough. You're going to need volume. And to get real volume, you need a bunch of relevant hooks that actually work right now. So I built a Claude skill that does exactly that. It goes out and it finds the ads already winning in your niche, and then it turns them into a prompt that you can actually run. So this is the viral UGC research skill that I created. It watches real viral ads, works out why each of them hooks you, and it writes that structure back out as a prompt for your product. I'll also leave a link to that skill in the description. So once you have the skill downloaded, you can just come into your Claude Code and click on the plus, and then click upload, and then connect the skill. So I've done that up here, and then all I wrote was, can you please run this skill? Now it's come back to me and it said, what are you selling? And then it's described a few different things that we can add now to give this skill more context to go out and find more relevant hooks for us. All right, so for this example, I've gone ahead and attached a product image, the brand name, as well as the product name, and also the people that I want to sell to. So now it's going to go out there and it's going to find viral hooks from which we can create prompts, and then we can send those prompts to Seedance. Every ad comes back decoded, the format, the hook, the beat, the timing, and why it works. Then it writes 8 Seedance prompts, each one staged around my exact product. It then automatically loads all 8 prompts into my own copy of the ad generator, 1 prompt per branch. So now all I do is drop the final copy of my product into this upload node here, and then I'll run the whole workflow and it'll spit out 8 individual Seedance 2 UGC nodes based on those viral hooks that the skill found. I just ran all of the video generators, and you can see that each of them has generated a video that is actually really high quality and has enough variety that you could actually use them for your brand or your product. Normally, this is where you'd expect to export all 8 clips into a editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro, but in Wireflow, there's actually a video editor node, which you can use to edit any of these videos directly on the canvas. It even connects to your Claude, so you can use Claude to stitch together clips, add captions, or do general edits on them. The old way of creating this many high quality UGC clips would have taken us weeks, cost thousands of dollars, and involved a whole hiring process. But this whole thing took under 30 minutes. Although the outputs don't come out perfect every time because it is AI, sometimes the hands drift or go weird, the logos come out wrong, sometimes the lip sync drifts as well. I normally regenerate 1 or 2 of these per video. But honestly, it's quite easy to fix. We just regenerate them with the exact same prompt, or we alter the prompt slightly, and then we pick the best of the outputs. One more thing worth knowing is that Wireflow actually just repriced their Seedance 2. So the same subscription now gets you significantly more video generations every month, and they're actually one of the cheapest platforms to use Seedance 2 on. The exact workflows that I built today, all of the Claude skills, and every single prompt are linked in the description for free.